Hey there everyone, this is Jason, and as you can see, we're here back at Disneyland. But today, we're going to do something a little different, and take a ride instead of a walk. But this will be a special ride, and something I've wanted to do for a long time. Take a ride down Main Street in Walt's favorite, the Fire Engine, driven by 52-plus year cast member and legend Steve Finley. Let's head down and hop on board.
How you doing?
Hello there, sir.
Like a ride, we're going up to the castle.
That sounds like a good idea.
I like to think so.
Let me just pause for a second. This is Steve, a true Disneyland treasure. Steve has been a Disneyland cast member since 1973 and a driver for the Main Street Fire Engine since 1984. And see his blue badge? Steve earned that in 2025, being honored with the peer-nominated Walt Disney Legacy Award. This was a real treat. Come along with me for the ride.
Come on in. You gonna be in the party tonight?
No, unfortunately I have to fly back to Portland tonight.
Oh no, that's a Lunar New Year.
Yes. You're the famous Steve, is it Finley?
Yes.
Finley, yes. Well, congratulations on all your years of
Thank
service.
you.
I think that's fantastic.
Oh, it's been nice.
Yeah,
Come on
wonderful.
in, folks. Especially when I came to Main Street, it's been
Yeah.
super on me.
Has this been your favorite
Oh, yeah.
spot? Yeah.
I was never one for the roller coaster, the hurry attractions. Hurry, sit down, we're gonna break down thing.
Yeah.
I worked Space Mountain and the Matterhorn.
All right.
Plus, they were hard at you because you'd push the vehicles with people in them sometimes.
Oh, wow.
You may not have noticed, but I'm not the most muscular guy in the world.
Hey, you're still out here doing this, so you have to be pretty fit.
There you go. Well, this vehicle was built for the park in 1958. It is based on a 1916 American LaFrance Fire truck, scaled down the buildings like the buildings on Main Street, 5/8 scale. Walt Disney himself used to drive this very vehicle from time to time. He'd use this to get around and check out the park. In fact, his last official photograph that he had taken here at Disneyland was on this very fire truck. He sat in the driver's seat, Mickey next to him in front of the castle, November of '66. You may ring the bell back there if you want. Let them know we're coming. It's fine. There you go. If you get good, you can get one for the car. They're great on long family trips. Hours and hours of enjoyment, I should know. You want to join us? Come on in. We're going up to the castle. Half the time. Watch your step. Where are you folks from?
SoCal. I'm not sure I've ever. Really?
I've always wanted to myself. Yeah.
Thank you.
Stay seated while we're moving. Hands to arms, legs each side. Advise children. We will reach speeds upwards of 5 miles per hour. Don't be nervous. Not all the rides go this fast. If you get scared, just do what I do when I drive. Close your eyes. There we go. That was the Lunar Festival. You have a good time?
It was really nice, yeah.
Here are the horses.
Busy over.
Yes. Glad they brought Horace back for something.
I know, it's so nice to see him.
I was very excited. I need to buy some for that bird.
Tiger. You're the tiger.
He is a bird then, Joanne.
You're the rat.
I've been on the horse on here.
It's right before the tiger. You're the rat. You're a rat when I'm married.
I can't really see my movie over there. Oh, cool. All right, guys.
One of my favorite things on Main Street has a gas lamp here to over 200 years old.
Oh no, I have to go to the Main Street City Hall to get a stamp for my postcards.
Since day one of the park, I
On
like
the
to
way
have
out.
something older than me on the street.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I've not seen that.
Starbucks there, lots of
put the penny back up on the penny arcade.
We call it the mothership.
Yeah.
How long will you be in the park?
Bakery on the left. On the right.
How long you been driving this?
I came to Vehicle in '84, but I've been in the park since '73. 53 years old.
I believe Steve is the longest serving cast member. One of. 92-year-old Hank Amin, also a Disney Legacy Blue Badge, is the longest serving, having started in 1958.
What's the worst that could happen? A couple people. Oh, very nice. That's the highest.
Dry, this time of rain.
Yes, it was very moist.
I know, it just sort of turned
loved
into
it.
our annual
Every year
trip.
it's perfect. This is the first year in a long time.
Finally open. Is it open? That's where we're going next. Okay, let's do it.
Have a wonderful day.
Thank
Thanks for
you.
coming. You're welcome. Sit on the benches, let your heart rates go
Thank
back
you.
to normal. Enjoy.
Thank
Make
you.
sure for it.
Yes, thank you.
Happy birthday.
Okay, that was great. I was hoping to ride shotgun to get better audio, though. I think we need to do it over again. Thanks again, Steve. Let's do it again sometime. Stay tuned to the channel for more walks, rides, and vibes. Bye.